The Siver B series car benches are used to repair car bodies with a weight of up to 3.5 tons. No lift is required to position the car on the bench. The bench is equipped with the original lifting device. In case the car cannot ride onto the bench by itself, you can use a winch. Roll one of the car axles over the gangways on the mobile cart. Move the cart together with the car to a middle part of the bench and put the gangways under the second axle. Position the car fully. Install the anchors in the area of the pinch weld rockers. Raise the lifting unit a little and tighten the anchors. Lift the car while its wheels are off the gangways. To work with the lifting device, the pump and the hydraulic cylinder from one of the power devices are used. Lift the frame of the bench using a jack and install the supports. Raise the lifting device into a vertical position. Fix it. Be sure to tighten the anchors. The bench is ready to work.